Forget the relentless calorie counting and crash diets of yesteryear. In the arena of weight loss, a new challenger has emerged, promising rapid results and metabolic mastery: intermittent fasting. But beyond the alluring headlines lies a strategic approach, ready to be wielded for lasting transformation. This in-depth guide will dismantle the mysteries of IF meal plans, empowering you to craft a custom strategy that shatters weight loss plateaus and propels you towards your goals. Ditch the diet dogma, embrace the metabolic dance. Intermittent fasting transcends the one-dimensional world of calorie restriction. It's a graceful tango between feasting and fasting, strategically manipulating your internal tides to turn your body into a fat-burning furnace. By cycling between periods of nourishing your body and allowing it to rest and repair, IF unlocks a potent fat loss weapon called ketosis. This metabolic state forces your body to tap into its fat reserves for fuel, accelerating weight loss while promoting a cascade of health benefits. Science unmasks the magic. Intermittent fasting isn't just a fleeting fad, it's backed by robust scientific evidence. Studies reveal its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity, transforming your body into a glucose-guzzling machine that burns through excess sugar efficiently. Furthermore, IF acts as a potent anti-inflammatory agent, reducing chronic inflammation linked to a plethora of health issues. Perhaps most fascinating is its ability to trigger cellular repair processes, promoting cellular longevity and overall well-being. Crafting your customized IF meal plan. A 10-minute guide to rapid weight loss. 1. Breaking the fast, a protein powerhouse. Kickstart your metabolic engine with a protein-rich breakfast like poached eggs on avocado toast, Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds, or a protein smoothie. These power breakfasts will not only keep you satiated but also prime your body for efficient fat burning throughout the day. 2. Mid-morning munchies. When hunger whispers, silence it with smart snacks like a handful of almonds and walnuts, a sprinkle of sunflower seeds, or a slice of cucumber with hummus. These nutrient-dense options provide sustained energy without triggering blood sugar spikes that can derail your progress. 3. Midday feast, fueling your adventures. Lunchtime calls for a fuel-refueling feast. Load up your plate with lean protein like grilled chicken or baked salmon, alongside a vibrant medley of vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and bell peppers. Don't forget to incorporate complex carbohydrates like quinoa or brown rice for sustained energy to power your afternoon. 4. Afternoon pick-me-up. As the afternoon sun dips lower, reach for a light snack that combines protein and healthy fats. Cottage cheese with berries, sliced cucumber with almond butter, or a hard-boiled egg are perfect options to keep hunger pangs at bay and maintain your energy levels. 5. Dinner, lighten up. Conclude your day with a light and easily digestible dinner. Opt for colorful vegetables like roasted asparagus or a side salad, paired with a lean protein source like grilled shrimp or a lentil soup. Remember to finish your last meal at least 2 hours before your fasting window begins. 6. The sweet reward. Yes, even dessert has a place in the world of IF. Indulge your sweet tooth within reason. A small square of dark chocolate, a fruit salad drizzled with honey, or a Greek yogurt parfait with berries can provide a satisfying sweet ending without compromising your progress. Beyond the meal plan. Embracing the intermittent fasting journey, unlocking the power of IF meal plans requires dedication and consistency. Listen to your body's signals, stay well hydrated, and prioritize nutrient-dense, whole foods during your eating windows. Just like embarking on any significant dietary shift, consulting with a healthcare professional before taking the plunge into IF is crucial. Let's celebrate a future where weight loss meets wellness, and every meal becomes a step towards a more vibrant, empowered you. Don't let this momentum fade. Subscribe, share the knowledge, and let's ignite a weight loss revolution. You got this!